If you're tired of climbing ladders or dealing with streaky glass, you're gonna love this. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5, AlfaBot X7. A budget-friendly robot window cleaner that punches above its weight class for homeowners who need basic window cleaning without premium pricing. If you're looking for automated window cleaning without emptying your wallet, this robot deserves your attention for its straightforward design and dependable operation that handles everyday window cleaning needs effectively. With its basic cleaning system and reliable suction mechanism, this robot delivers decent cleaning performance on standard windows and glass doors. The simple navigation pattern covers most window surfaces systematically, while the microfiber pads pick up dirt and dust reasonably well during cleaning cycles, making it perfect for maintaining already clean windows. What sets it apart is the safety tether system that provides peace of mind during operation, preventing the robot from falling even if suction fails unexpectedly. The simple remote control makes operation intuitive, while the rechargeable battery provides enough runtime for several average-size windows on a single charge without constant recharging. The build quality feels adequate for the price point, with reliable construction that handles regular use on typical residential windows. The robot operates with reasonable noise levels, and the overall setup process is straightforward, with clear instructions that get you cleaning quickly without complications. Where it shines: good value for money, simple operation that anyone can master, safety tether provides security, and adequate cleaning performance for basic window maintenance needs. Where it falls short: limited advanced features compared to premium models, and the basic cleaning pattern may miss edges or corners on irregular window shapes. Who's it for? It's perfect for budget-conscious homeowners, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants automated window cleaning with basic functionality, all without premium pricing or complicated features. Bottom line, the AlfaBot X7 strikes a solid balance between affordability, simplicity, and basic cleaning performance. If you want automated window cleaning with straightforward operation and good value, this robot is a smart choice for basic needs. Number 4. FMART W7, a refined robot window cleaner that brings smart precision and reliable performance for users who want spotless windows without manual effort. If you've ever struggled with streaks or uneven cleaning, this model takes care of it with laser navigation, intelligent route planning, and consistent suction power that adapts to every surface. It's designed to make window cleaning not just easier, but also safer and smarter. What makes the FMART W7 stand out is its upgraded AI mapping system, which uses edge detection sensors and adaptive movement to ensure full coverage without missing a spot. Whether you're cleaning tall apartment windows, balcony, glass, or large mirrors, the W7 moves methodically in a Z-shaped pattern that guarantees consistent results. The suction system is powerful enough to cling securely even on vertical glass, giving you peace of mind during operation. The microfiber cleaning pads handle both dry, dust, and wet smudges efficiently, while the built-in spray function distributes water evenly to break down grime before wiping. Combined with strong suction, this system minimizes streaks and delivers that polished, crystal-clear look after every pass. You can control everything easily using the remote or the dedicated app, switching between cleaning modes or adjusting paths without needing to climb or move furniture. Build quality feels dependable throughout, featuring sturdy materials and precise engineering that make the W7 suitable for both home and light commercial use. It operates quietly compared to earlier models, making it ideal for apartments or shared spaces. Battery backup ensures it stays attached even if the power goes out, adding an extra layer of safety. Who's it for? It's perfect for homeowners who want consistent, hands-free cleaning without climbing ladders or spending weekends wiping glass. Also great for busy users who value automation and reliability in daily maintenance. Bottom line, the FMART W7 strikes the right balance between intelligent cleaning, safety, and convenience. If you want smart, reliable, and thorough window cleaning at a reasonable price, this one absolutely deserves its place in the top 4. Number 3. HOBOT S7 Pro, an innovative robot window cleaner built for users who want advanced features without flagship pricing. If you're tired of robots that miss corners or leave streaks, This one changes the game. With its advanced cleaning system and intelligent navigation, it's designed to deliver professional-level cleaning while providing the reliability needed for regular use. What sets it apart is the ultrasonic water spray system that distributes cleaning solution precisely without oversaturating surfaces, combined with smart sensors that detect window edges and adjust cleaning patterns accordingly. You get thorough cleaning with intelligent operation that handles various window types and conditions, while the advanced suction system ensures secure attachment even on textured glass surfaces. The build quality is premium and dependable. The robot includes multiple cleaning modes for different window conditions, while the comprehensive app control provides scheduling and monitoring capabilities that enhance convenience. You'll find the robot excels at both standard cleaning and handling challenging windows with remarkable effectiveness. One of the standout features is how the robot adapts its cleaning pattern based on window size and shape automatically. The intelligent navigation prevents repetitive passes on already clean areas, while the quality cleaning pads and efficient water usage ensure streak-free results across different glass types and cleaning situations. The premium construction extends to the design and user experience, with thoughtful details that make operation straightforward and results consistently professional. The robot also includes practical features like automatic return to start and comprehensive safety systems. Who's it for? This robot is perfect for quality-focused users, multi-story homeowners, or anyone who wants advanced cleaning technology with reliable operation and comprehensive features for professional results. Bottom line, the HOBOT S7 Pro isn't just another window cleaner, it's an intelligent cleaning solution built for users who want professional results. If you want advanced features with reliable performance, this model absolutely deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around, I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. HUTT W8. A smart and powerful robot that's taken a big step forward in cleaning efficiency and safety features. What sets the HUTT W8 apart from the rest is its excellent balance of cleaning power and intelligent operation, giving you professional-grade results that basic window cleaners simply can't match for demanding cleaning applications. Unlike simple robots that follow basic patterns or premium models that overcomplicate operation, HUTT's W8 delivers impressive cleaning performance with smart features that make window cleaning effortless and reliable. The robot rewards users with consistently clean windows while providing advanced safety features that ensure secure operation even on challenging installations. One of the standout features is the advanced AI-powered navigation that maps your windows and calculates optimal cleaning paths automatically, ensuring complete coverage without wasted motion or repeated passes. The unit feels precisely engineered for efficiency, giving you confidence that every window will receive thorough cleaning attention during each cleaning cycle. The HUTT W8 also includes proven reliability with quality construction that provides excellent durability across demanding cleaning scenarios. You get powerful suction with comprehensive edge cleaning capabilities, while the advanced cleaning solution management ensures optimal moisture levels throughout the cleaning process without streaking. Build quality stays consistently high with HUTT's refined engineering and attention to safety details. The robot includes convenient features like voice prompts and automatic obstacle detection, while the overall package feels truly capable of handling whatever window cleaning challenges you encounter. Who's it for? It's perfect for premium homeowners, demanding users, or anyone who wants advanced cleaning performance with intelligent operation and comprehensive safety features for professional results. Bottom line, the HUTT W8 redefines what an intelligent window cleaner can deliver. With AI navigation, powerful cleaning, and reliable operation, it's easily one of the most capable options for serious window cleaning needs. And finally, my number 1 pick, ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro, next generation window cleaning robot that combines proven technology, cutting-edge features, and top-tier build quality into one complete cleaning package. Whether you're maintaining a modern home, have numerous windows, or simply want the best window cleaning robot available, this model delivers professional quality results with exceptional reliability and comprehensive capability. What sets the Winbot W1 Pro apart is its incredible combination of powerful suction, intelligent cleaning algorithms, and advanced safety systems that achieve professional cleaning results while maintaining absolute security during operation. Unlike other premium robots that excel in single aspects, the W1 Pro provides consistently excellent performance across cleaning effectiveness, safety, and user convenience that transforms window maintenance. Smart engineering is built right in. The robot's advanced pathfinding technology handles windows of any shape and size smoothly while maintaining optimal cleaning coverage, and the comprehensive app integration provides scheduling and monitoring that makes window cleaning truly automated. Whether you're cleaning standard windows or challenging architectural glass, the robot responds exactly as expected from premium cleaning equipment. The refined construction reaches its peak here, with ECOVACS's premium materials and proven engineering excellence. Build quality is absolutely dependable with attention to detail that shows in every aspect of the robot's performance. The comprehensive features include advanced cleaning modes, professional-grade suction systems, and reliability that handles the most demanding residential window cleaning applications. The complete design includes everything a discerning homeowner needs, while the versatile performance makes it suitable for any window cleaning challenge. The robot works equally well for regular maintenance and deep cleaning across demanding applications and comprehensive window care requirements. Who's it for? It's the ideal choice for premium homeowners who want the best possible window cleaning experience with maximum automation, comprehensive safety, and the most advanced cleaning technology available. Bottom line, the ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro is the total package. With outstanding cleaning performance, comprehensive features, and premium reliability packed into the most refined design available, it's the ultimate window cleaning robot for anyone who refuses to settle for average results and wants professional-grade capability. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.